Hello friends, we taste buds don't want you to buy cake in the coming Christmas season. Instead, you enhance your baking skill and surprise your loved ones in this Christmas with the aroma of freshly baked cake in your own kitchen. Let us give the opportunity to introduce some basic tools and ingredients by which you can bake cake like a professional. Why we are introducing the tools so early? Because we really want you to get some basic tools and ingredients beforehand and get ready for the cake season. We still have almost a month in hand for the preparations. So, let's start. Silicone mat is designed to create an even non-stick surface. You should never need to grease, oil or flour a silicone baking mat. It is mostly used for kneading the bread dough or rolling out the fondant or sugar paste or gum paste, kneading and cutting the cookies, etc. It has measuring lines as well for the perfect measurement of your round cake and the square or rectangular cake. Hand beater is one of the most important tools to have in your kitchen while you are baking a cake. Making the cake batter, whipping cream, etc. will be just an 1-minute job for you if you have a good beater in your hand. You need 1 or 2 big mixing bowl for the cake batter and whipping cream or ganache. The bowls can be plastic made or steel made, but preferably it should be lightweight. Many cases I am comfortable with the weighing scale in place of cup and spoon measurement. It is not an expensive tool as well. Get one for perfect measurement. Measuring cups and spoons are another important tools to measure liquid or dry ingredients. Now come to the molds. There are plenty of designs of the molds. These are the rectangular and square molds for baking a square or rectangular cake. It's a very big one. Spring foam cake mold. Spring foam cake molds can be opened from sides and they make it very convenient to remove the cakes without damaging their structure. It can be very easily removable, and the base plate can be used as a cake base. These are the 3-tier cake molds. The separate ones, three different cake molds can be arranged to bake 3-tier cake. The heart shaped cake molds, the flower shaped cake molds. You can see a low height cake molds here. This can be used for making Swiss roll. This type of molds can be used for pound cake or loaf bread, etc. This is a doll cake mold. The skirt of the doll can be baked in this mold. This is silicone made cake mold. It's a designer one as well. These are the silicone and metal made cupcake molds. These are separate cupcake molds. The paper cupcake molds does not need any greasing. The silicone as well does not need any greasing. It can be kept inside the oven as it is. Preferably a paper mold can be kept inside the metal cupcake mold. This is a parchment paper. The parchment paper or baking paper is grease-proof paper which is used in baking and cooking, as it provides heat-resistant, a non-stick surface to bake on. This is a turning table. It's an essential tool for icing the cake. These are the cake base. It's a circular base. This is a rectangular, it's a square base. It's available in different sizes as well. These are some important tools for baking. The first one is cake scraper. It's a designer scraper to give a designer impression on the edges of the cake while you are icing the cake with buttercream or whipped cream. The second one is the cake or bread knife to cut and give the shape to the cake. And the third one is the cake pellet knife, which is used to apply the icing or the ganache on the cake. And the last one is another one scraper for smooth edges when icing your cake with buttercream or the whipped cream. These are the cake decoration tool. It's not essential. If you are not decorating your cake, you may not need this type of thing. These are the basic nozzles. You may get set of 12 basic nozzles very easily from market, and these are the basic nozzles and the piping bags. This is the Russian icing nozzles, which is used for different type of flowers and shape. The flower nail and the flower lifters, when you are using, you are making rows. These are the fondant tool. While you are working with fondant, these are the fondant tool set. This is the smoother, fondant smoother. When you are making a cake with fondant, this can be used. This is the fondant rolling pin. Now come to the ingredients, very basic ingredients, like from my left hand side, the cocoa powder, the vanilla essence, the baking powder, and behind that the aromas, the baking soda. These are used for chocolate cake. We will use cocoa powder. And this is a natural unsweetened cocoa powder. The vanilla essence are for the vanilla flavor cake. The baking powder is the essential baking ingredients you may have in your kitchen while you are baking cake. These are a few aromas and colors which I use to make different type of cakes. These are the sugar balls. You may get plenty of sugar balls and this type of things from market. These are the compound chocolates. Compound chocolates can be white, dark, or milk compound. For chocolate cake, you may need this. And then come to the cream part. This is the whipped cream, non-dairy whipped cream, the heavy cream, and the cream cheese. These are the icing ingredients. You should have in your kitchen some brown sugar. For a few cake you may need that. This is the fondant. If you are topping your cake with fondant, then you may need a base color, that is white. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed really, then please like, share, and give your valuable comments, and finally subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. And Merry Christmas in advance.